Operating a forklift safely begins before you even climb onto the machine. It starts with you asking yourself if you're ready to drive. If your back is giving you trouble, you've had an argument with a coworker, or you're taking medication for a head cold, be careful. You should think twice about getting into a forklift's driver's seat if anything has happened that could affect your focus. And you should never drive a forklift if you are under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Once you are in your forklift, be sure to buckle up before you turn the key. Then look around to make sure the way is clear. Be sure to follow the normal rules of the road. Keep to the right and give pedestrians the right of way. Always face in the direction you're traveling. Keep your arms and legs inside the cab. Keep the forklift under control at all times. Jerky and erratic driving can cause accidents. And never engage in horseplay behind the wheel. With or without a load, you should always drive with the forks lowered to between 4 and 6 inches off the ground with the mast tilted back. Don't drive any faster than a normal walking speed. This helps to keep the forklift stable and gives you more time to respond to what's going on around you. It also makes it easier to come to a safe stop. If you make a turn while you're moving, a forklift's center of gravity will shift to the outside of the turn. So to maintain stability, brake carefully to slow down gradually. Come to a complete stop before changing directions. Then proceed slowly through the turn. Turn the steering wheel in a slow, smooth sweeping motion. And never make a turn with forks that are raised more than 4 to 6 inches off the ground. You need to keep an eye on the surfaces you're traveling on as well. Grease, water, and other liquids will make any surface more slippery. Even dry materials like sand, gravel, or trash can cause a forklift to skid. Take care to keep some space between your truck's wheels and the edges of ramps, elevated platforms, and loading docks. Running even one wheel off the side could easily tip a forklift over. Your load and the surfaces you're driving on aren't the only things that you need to pay attention to as you're driving. More than likely, you'll encounter pedestrians along the way, and they're not always easy to see. So sound your horn whenever you approach a cross aisle or make a turn. Use your horn if you do see someone in your vicinity and they haven't noticed you as well. Be sure to make eye contact to verify that they've heard you and can get out of the way. But remember, pedestrians always have the right of way. No matter how careful you are with your forklift, accidents can still happen. So you need to know what to do in case your forklift tips over. Remember, do not try to jump out of the forklift. Studies show that will probably get you killed. Instead, brace your feet. Grab onto the steering wheel and pull yourself tight up against it. Then lean in the opposite direction from the way the vehicle is tipping and hang on. When your shift is over or anytime you're going to leave a forklift unattended, be sure to secure it. Lower the forks to the ground. Set the parking brake. Turn off the motor and take the keys with you. If you have to park on an incline, shock the wheels to make sure the forklift stays where you left it.